Yeah, throw in front of the boat, Lord. Yeah, do that as a follow-up bait to my glide. You should be able to snatch it. That's what I'm thinking. And we're on slack tide, so you know they're gonna be funny. That high tide is at like 2. We're getting well, not slack. Yeah, we're about getting slack. We're at 1. Let's see if they want this. I don't care if you throw in my bowl, dog. I don't care if you throw in my bowl because you got a different bait. It's a group of them. You see them up at 60? We're just far enough back from them. Oh, there you go, slow it. Get the net. The net balls.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
There we go.
Here, boy.
Get up in there.
Get up in that net, boy.
I told you, right up ahead. Woo! Yeah. Stir him up, boss. We're gonna stir him up, loaded. Nice little one. There's more over there. There's bigger ones. So check that guy out. I had to resort to my bone creamsicle. Drippy Mane by Trip Drip. Hit him with the old Jimmy Hugh top drop. Hey, let's get it. They all suspend different. This one just sits there in the column. You get him? Yeah, you hung up on something. Damn. Oh Lord, because I got a fish hot. There you go, he's hot. Boss. Oh, baby, get the net. I don't know if you can get your line out the water or what. Yeah, come up here. Oh, there you go.
Crazy, boy.
Let me get that out the net. It was a decent one. On them now, son. On me chick T, Bubba. On that chicken hiney rib. Trip Drip, your flavor don't work at all. It's all Trip Drip's flavor, guys. It's that creamsicle. It's one of my favorites. No diddy. Just because I was licking like a lollipop. Oh, here we go, Lord. The net. That's running funny. That gotta be a bow. Oh, that's a big bass. He's running funny. Here we go.
That's all.
Awesome. Ain't no bow. Came up and smoked that joker. Color that's getting it done, guys. Trip Drip's creamsicle. That's what they can see. Highlighted up top. Riverfish. Hit him with the old Jimmy Hugh top drop. Hey, let's get it.